Good morning, students. Today we will start with exercise 4.1. The question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So we have to represent the given statement in a form of linear equation in two variables. For this, let us take the cost of a notebook as rupees X and the cost of pen as rupees Y. According to the question, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So X equals to 2Y or X minus 2Y equals to 0. So this is the linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Now let us see another question. Express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Let us see the first one. 2x plus 3y equals to 9.35 with a bar on it. So we can write down this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c as follows. We can write down this as 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equals to 0. When we compare with the standard equation of in two variables, we will get a as 2, b as 3 and c equals to minus 9.35. Similarly, you can do the second one also. Here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to minus 1 by 5 and c equals to minus 10. Let's see the third one. It is minus 2x plus 3y equals to 6. So it will become, if we write down in the standard form, it becomes minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 because we will take 6 this side equals to 0. So when we compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0, we get a equals to minus 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 6. Let us see the fourth one. X equals to 3y. Now how we will write down this? X minus 3y equals to 0, or when we write down in the standard form, we can write down 1 dot x means 1 into x minus 3y minus 0 dot c equals to 0. So here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to minus 3 and c will be equal to 0. Now let us see this question, seventh one. Similarly, you will do 5th, 6th and 8th also. You will do these questions in your book only, no problem. Now question number 7, let us do how we will do, just see it. Here it is given that y minus 2 equals to 0. Means what? X is not given here, means x equals to 0. So we will write down in the standard form as 0 into x plus 1 into y because it is only y. So it is 1 into y minus 2 equals to 0. When we compare it with the standard form, we will get a equals to 0, b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 2. So students, do question number 1 of exercise 4.1 in your maths copy and question number 2 in the book itself. Thank you.